What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in today's YouTube video we're going to be looking at some Machine Gun Kelly merch. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up before it even start, and be sure to drop down in the comment section below if you have any other celebrities or any more brands you'd like for me to buy some merch from and do a review on. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all a little bit about the tour. As you can tell by the title or the thumbnail, this piece of merch, because I didn't have money to buy as much as I wanted, but this piece of merch is from the Hotel Diablo tour. So I don't know why the color was purple, but it was purple. I like it though. So Hotel Diablo's on the front. My show was in Houston. I went to see him in Houston. It was June 16, 2019. It was Father's Day. No, he didn't have Casey with him, sadly, but this was $35 itself, and it was $35 just for the small. Every other size was different. I think like medium or large was like $45, and the price went up from there. As you can see in the thumbnail, it's some other merch on there, but this is the shirt. I actually got it out the washer because somebody's makeup from the concert got on there. It got really rough. If you actually want to see me at the concert, it'll be the first link down in the description. I filmed the entire concert from the opening acts to the performance. The performance started like 7:05ish in the video. More of it will be down in the description. As you can see right here, this is what the website looks like. There's more merch you can get from Machine Gun Kelly. This video is not sponsored, but it's at mgkofficialmerch.com, and that's just where you can get it from. This is the back. It has the different tour dates, Hotel Diablo, and it has the tour dates right here on the back. So where he's going, because the tour doesn't end until September. He's off for the whole month of July. And you can see Houston is, I don't even see it. Houston is right here. Houston, Texas is right here. So this is all the places he went, places he'll go, obviously, like any other tour merch. This is the only one I could really afford. Luckily I liked it, because if I didn't, I was gonna go ahead and just get a bandana, which was like $10 to $15. It was the EST bandana, which is in the thumbnail as well. I love the concert. I had a great time. If I can do that day 12 times over again, I would do it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I might order something else from the MGK official merch website. I'm not sure, but see you guys in my next YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching.